Deep beneath the surface of your skin, an invisible war rages.
These microscopic invaders, invisible to our eyes, possess enough energy to penetrate the cellular forcing. Upon impact, the UV photon inflicts immediate damage. It doesn't just break bonds. The cell is not defenseless. Immediately, molecular repair enzymes spring into action, attempting to mend the broken code.
But what if your body's natural defenses aren't enough?
Witness the brilliance of sunscreen in action.
This external shield dramatically reduces the bombardment, offering a crucial layer of defense. But even the strirls, when UV penetrates, even in small amounts, it doesn't just target DNA directly. It can also...
The onslaught of free radicals creates a state of oxidative stress, a biological firestorm within the cell. Yet, the cell's resilience is extraordinary. A dedicated team of DNA repair enzymes works Oxide. But what happens when the repair mechanisms are overwhelmed, or errors accumulate too rapidly? When the The greatest danger arises when severely damaged cells evade both repair and self-destruction.
This is the long game of UV exposure. Each sunburn, each unprotected moment in the sun.
These rogue cells, freed from normal cellular controls, replicate without restraint. They can invade surrounding... But this doesn't have to be your cellular destiny. With a deeper understanding of this microscopic conflict, by choosing to protect our skin, we empower our cells to win this daily struggle, safeguarding the integrity